Apple makes it very easy to take screenshots of your Mac. If only they didn't hide where the feature is.
Thanks for watching Apple Insider. Don't forget to hit that like button and be sure to hit subscribe and turn on that notification bell so you know when we upload new videos.
Hello, I'm William Gallagher from Apple Insider. We must take a lot of screenshots, you and I, because Apple has provided every Mac user with a plethora of ways to take screenshots, to edit screenshots, and to share them around too. Each of these ways is easy, each of them is useful, but none of them are obvious. So, screenshots on the Mac have to be done via a keystroke combination. Each does something different, each is worth knowing, but with macOS Mojave, Apple trumped the lot with one new keystroke giving us one new way to do it. Hold down the Command and Shift keys on your Mac keyboard, then tap the 5 key and you get what Apple officially calls the on-screen capture controls. There is a small X close button at the far left, but after that you get 3 main icons that are all about telling your Mac what type of screenshot you are going to want. If you click the first, Capture Entire Window, then you get a capture button at the far right. You can just click that and the entire screen is grabbed for you. Don't bother with it though, just move your mouse cursor away from all of these controls and click anywhere to take the same shot. If you've chosen the second one along, Capture Selected Window, then you have to move your cursor away. Move it over to the window you want. Each one as you go highlights, choose carefully, click, and that window is taken and saved. Then if you want to just save any portion of the screen, any shape of it, click to select that and you get a box that highlights an area of your Mac's display. Move it, resize it, position it wherever you need, and then click. Very nicely, your Mac will remember where that box was for the next time you do this. Just as it will also remember anything you set up in the Options button in that control bar. It's within Options that you can choose where to save the screenshot when you've taken it. You can set a timer so that instead of happening instantly, the screenshot is grabbed in 5 or 10 seconds time. And you can choose whether or not to show the floating thumbnail. Now that thumbnail gets in the way when you're taking many screenshots, one after another, but it's also a really useful instant editor. Click on that thumbnail and then you can annotate the image. You can mark it up by circling parts, you can scribble on it, and you can send it to someone right there without it ever being saved to your Mac. That's how taking screenshots is done on the Mac. Taking screenshots, editing screenshots, sharing them too. But do you ever do it? Do you think Apple's on-screen capture control is useful, or does it just get in the way? Do let us know in the comments below.
Hey everyone, did you guys like that video? Be sure to click on that like button so we can create content that we know that you guys want to see. And follow Apple Insider on all social media channels. If you want the best prices on any Apple gear, check out the Apple Insider price guide that is updated daily. And until next time, we'll see you later.